Here's a 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan from May 6th of 1997. Was the 56th fan made that day. Tag. It's got an XLP motor up there. It's got a 4-5 flywheel and antique oak blades. They're pointed tip because they're 17-inch blades. And this chain here doesn't do anything, so the shades are not original. I have the original shades, but we're gonna start this on low. Picked this up at Habitat for 10 bucks. I might put the original shades on here. These blade brackets are bent to all heck. It's mainly one of them is just badly out of clock, so this fan does have a bit of a wobbling issue, especially on medium and high. Has a pretty slight wobble on low. You're probably not going to be able to notice it on camera, but in person you'll notice it. So I think if I put 4 blades on this fan, it might balance a little better. It is kind of shaking a little bit on low. Let me see. It's a nice looking fan though. Yeah, I think medium. Now it's picking up. See that? You'll notice that on camera. It is picking up quite a bit, but it's blowing a lot of air. A medium, it's blowing a lot of air. It's a nice fan. I like the pretzel brackets on these. All right, let's go to high. I don't want to leave it on medium too long. On high, it kind of mellows out a little bit. But this airflow, man, this thing's a tornado. It's blowing the other Delta pretty well. The breeze is driving, man. That's a fucking tornado. Yeah, I mean, this thing is legit hauling some serious ass right now. This is like almost, I think it's 400 RPM. It is reversible too, but yeah. I'm gonna turn it off now. Watch it coast. Hopefully we can get the blades. I'm gonna put 4 blades on this thing, and we'll hopefully we'll see if that changes the balance a little bit more. But yeah, this thing, I like Lady Deltas. They're cool. They're chill. I like them. I wish this was a K55 one, but whatever. I like it. So yeah, tonight, and also I need to get that light pull chain fixed. So, but yeah, for me, it's easier to balance a 4 blade than a 5. But yeah, you can even see it. One of those blades is out of clock. So I think we're gonna take that blade off, and we're gonna put 4 blades on and see what that does. So I think that blade is what's holding everything back. Actually, it's 2 blades that are out of clock. One of them's bent this way, the other one's bent that way. Bearings are great. This fan does hum a little bit, but other than that, bearings are pretty well intact. So these 3 are pretty good. I'm gonna leave them alone, but one of these 2 is gonna have to go. But yeah, nice fan. It's taking a long time to spin down. I think we're gonna let that blade go. With the. All right, this has been the Casablanca Lady Delta with 5 blades, and we'll put 4 blades on it, and we'll be right back.